What is up, everybody? We're back to work on the CR250. A lot of the parts came in, still a few things on back order, but let's get going. Okay, I was doing some assembly on the bike. Got the rear swing arm on. Yeah, got all the bearings greased. Got a new chain slider because the one I had on was 20 years old and wore out, as well as the chain block down here. But we ran into an issue. The chain guide bolts are frozen in the swing arm. Now, this is a pretty common problem with this motorcycle, actually with all motorcycles. So I put some penetrating fluid on, and we'll see if that worked overnight. But we gotta try and get these bolts out because this is gonna be a problem. Alright, so from the looks of it, they got a little corroded, but actually not too bad. I think I can clean these up and make them work still. So the good thing is they didn't get seized up, so the swing arm is still serviceable and in good shape. Okay, so I did buy a bolt kit from Rocky Mountain ATV. It's a Tusk brand one, which I think is their brand. But looking through it, I did have some new swing arm bolts. So I will be dropping these in just to save them, but I do have some new ones right here that I'll be putting in. So it's recommended that you apply anti-seize to them. I didn't know that before, but I do now. So I have some anti-seize. I just lubed them up, and let's get them installed. We're gonna put the rear tire on. Let's get going. Okay, that went on really easy. That's probably one of the fastest times I've been able to get that on. Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap for today. Some of the parts didn't show up. Seems the quarantine has slowed down the package deliveries, so they should be arriving tomorrow, so we will catch you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, so it's the next day, and just got it delivered from UPS with some goodies. So let's take a look at what we got. Bam! That is Factory Connection. Sent my forks and shock off to Factory Connection to get them serviced and basically set up for my size, weight, and riding ability. So let's get these unboxed and see what we got. All right, front end is attached. Just need to fine tune the shock height or the fork height. They need to be 4 millimeters, and I gotta go find a ruler. All right guys, that's gonna be a wrap for today. We've got a lot accomplished on the bike. Unfortunately, one box didn't show up, so I can't quite put it together all the way as far as I'd like to anyways. Coming up in the next video, got a surprise for you. It's gonna be fun, but if you like what you see, drop a like, subscribe, do all the stuff you know what to do, and we'll catch you later.